Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you own Street Fighter 6 and that the game is fully updated. This ensures access to the latest costumes. Next, make sure your platform account has payment or wallet info saved so purchase is complete without delay. Once done, launch Sf6 and head straight to the in-game shop or customize menu to view available outfits. You do this now because the store lists items tied to seasons, events, and DLC, so quick access saves you missing limited offers. You decide how to obtain the costume: buy directly in the shop, redeem a code, or unlock it through event rewards, and you check the price in both real currency and in-game currency to compare. Make sure to inspect DLC bundles or season passes because they often include multiple outfits at a lower per-piece cost. Once you select an item, follow the purchase prompts and confirm the transaction. If using event unlocks, complete the listed challenges and claim the reward from the event menu, so the costume moves into your account inventory. You equip the new costume by navigating to Customize, selecting your character, and applying the outfit from your inventory. This updates profile and online loadouts. If the costume doesn't appear, restart the game and allow a minute for servers to sync, then recheck your inventory. Most issues clear after a relog. If the purchase shows on your statement but not in-game, gather the transaction ID and contact platform support. That single troubleshooting step resolves most missing content cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.